there mga my loves, Capricorn. Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So before we dive into this reading, reminders everyone that this is not for everybody. So just pick up the messages you think are for you. And kung feel mo na ang reading na to ay para sa'yo, then this reading might be really for you. And syempre, wala tayong gender dito. Just take only what resonates with you. Meron tayong new channel, Capricorn, ng All About Taurus. So kung kayo ay dealing with Taurians or Tauros, pwede kayo dun mga babes mag-spy or mag-cross-watch. Kung kayo ay cross-watcher, or kung kayo ay may Taurus in your natal or birth chart, you might want to check that out. The link is in the description box. So, tingnan natin dito, Capricorn, kung anong mga mensahe for you guys. See? Spirits and angel guides, can you please show me? What do we have here for Capricorn, please? This is for Capricorn. What do we have here for Capricorn? Oh. Parang may gustong sabihin sa inyo. Oh, kunin natin to. We have here the official person, the matured man, occupation, and there's this concern. Okay, and at the bottom of the deck, we have here the gift. Alright, so looks like you could be receiving some kind of a gift right here, or a present coming from your boss. It could be related to your work with the occupation right here. So it looks like mga babes, no, I can see na parang bibiruin ka rito ng boss mo, no? Your boss has something to do with pwedeng funny type of person siya, no, or palabiro siya rito, no. Mukhang patatawag ka niya rito, no, na parang kunwari may nagawa kang hindi maganda, no. Pero nakikita ko rito na palabas lang yan, okay? Kasi I can see na kung ano tong ibibigay niya sa'yo rito. It's a gift right here dahil magaling ka at nagpo-focus ka sa yung work. So, nakikita ko rito mga babes, no, na pwedeng matagal ka na dyan sa work na yan, no, or yung iba pwedeng meron ditong work na parang bago yun for you guys, no. Pero dyan na kayo talaga magsistay. As in, hindi na kayo maghahanap ng work pa or pagtatalunan pa na ibang work or company rito. Or yung iba pwedeng business yan at makikita mo na rin dyan, okay? Yan na yung business mo na hindi mo na talaga papalitan ever, no? Pero nakikita ko dito kung ano man yan. There is some kind of gift. Could be, this is a token right here given by the boss mo dito, no? And then picking up that it is because of a job well done. Kasi magaling ka, you handle your task really well. Yung ibang mga babes na pwedeng may na-receive kayo na task recently, Capricorn, no? At mukhang napatunayan ninyo na talaga naman naplakado ang inyong skills dito, no? So, nakita nila ng management, no? Ang galing mo rito. So, maaaring pagkalooban ka nila, no? Malay nyo, ito na pala yung promotion, no? Or salary or increase dito, no, sa yung job well done. Okay? So, tingnan pa natin. Let's see sa tarot. Yeah, it's an official person, someone with authority ang magkakaloob sa'yo ng gift. So, let's see. Spirit and angel guys, tell me more for my Capricorn, please. Thank you. Oops. Alam mo, feeling ko excited yan ipagkaloob sa'yo. Lalo na kung sobrang tagal mo na dyan sa kumpanya na yan. See, Three of Cups energy. It is a ladder of success going up. So, it looks like you're manifesting this to happen. It's like, alam mo talaga na darating yung oras na marirecognize ka rito sa trabaho mo, sa financial mo, no? Kasi nakikita ko rito na talagang meron kami na manifest pagdating sa money, coins, and pentacles mo. At syempre, ano pa nga ba yun? Ang paglago ng kaperahan mo or ang pag-recognize sa'yo rito, no? Or titiwala sa kakayanan mo, no, ng mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo with the Three of Cups. energy. So, wow. Yeah, we have here this one. Because they've seen that you have lots of potential right here and whatever gift they are giving you, konektado yan sa position mo, sa designation mo, no, sa galing mo, sa skills mo, no, sa job well done mo, no? Kaya kung ano yan, ikakaligaya mo talaga rito ng bongga because the sun is the happiest deck, I mean, the happiest energy in the tarot. Yeah, okay. And with the Queen of Wands energy, I can see you having more responsibilities, like more than one. So, I can see, no, na kung ano man yan, mas mabuboost pa rito yung confidence mo, yung skill set mo, no, mas bibigyan ka nila ng mga new tasks, pero kayang-kaya mo yan. At first, you feel pressured kasi, syempre, ganun talaga, no? Kasi, naiba yung posisyon mo, eh. Okay? Binigyan ka rito ng task, no, dahil iba na yung magiging designation mo dyan sa trabaho na yan. Okay? Pero nakikita ko rito na mapapamadas mo pa rin yung galing mo dyan. So, magkakaroon ka dito ng maraming responsibilities, pero ang kapalit naman nun is more money, increase of salary, or more income ang papasok sa'yo dito. Yan. Okay? Queen of Wands is someone here who is literally shining. At nakikita kita, no, na nagbibigay ka pa dito, no. I'm hearing recipe of success. It looks like a menu kung paano ka nakarating sa posisyon na yan. So, maaring ikaw ay mag-handle dito, no, ng you're going to manage people under you or staff under you. Okay? Or businessman to, or isa man tong work in a company, nakikita kita that you're managing people and you're sharing to them kung paano mo naabot yan. Okay? Posisyon na yan or yung mga pangarap mo, paano mo yan nasimulan at paano mo yan tinutuloy. Ano ba yung mga naging inspirasyon mo? Ano ba yung mga nagpa-motivate sa'yo? I can see you here sharing it to them. Because the Queen of Wands is also the type of energy that is really attractive at marami talagang makikinig sa'yo kasi you are really stunning. Wala tayong gender dito, boys, girls, okay? So, nakita ko rito na kung ano man yan, no, makikinig sila sa'yo because they are attracted to your high vibrational positive energy. Okay? Kasi gusto rin nila ng success sa kanilang life. Yeah. See, ano man yung matatanggap mo na yan, no? It's some kind of a call for celebration and it's a wish granted. 9 of Cups energy and you are about to witness this. Yan, na medyo bibiruin ka lang dito, no, na kunwari kung business yan. Alam mo, ang laki ng itinalo natin ngayon dito sa business natin ngayong month na to. Pero yung pala, sabay biglang bawi, no? Ang laki ng sales natin ngayon. Yan, no? Dahil yun sa'yo. Yan. So, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, na medyo makaka-receive ka lang ng parang, I'm hearing kidding. So, bibiruin ka lang nila, no, pero nakikita ko rito na, yun ay parte ng parang paglalambing lang, no, or parang, para lang kabahan ka ng konti. Okay? So, you have lots of, funny people around you. Funny people? Letter F. Funny people. Yan. So, moving here, we have here the Four of Cups. Yeah, I can see that this is the opportunity right here na pwedeng nung una alangan ka pa natanggapin. Pero push! Kasi gusto mo na talaga rito na ma-recognize ka, ma-promote ka, ma-nominate ka, or makita ka ng boss mo in a different light sa trabaho. Okay? Kaya with the Four of Cups energy, I can see you grabbing that opportunity. And it is because ito na yung nakitaan mo with the sun, no? Ng malaking potential rito na baka ito na yung hinihintay ko, baka ito na yung minamanifest ko na ladder of success. And yes, Capricorn, no? Ito na nga yung ladder of success mo, babe. Because I can see you making tapak dyan paakyat. Yan, no? At pag nagtuloy-tuloy ka dyan, mga babes, no? Baka palitan mo na ang CEO ng kumpanya nyo. Pag nagtuloy-tuloy ka dyan, of course, no? Mas aangat ka palalo, no? Pati yung mga pagod mo, effort mo, no, magbubunga, no, dyan mo na maisasagawa ang lahat ng katuparan ng mga pinapangarap mo. Ayun, no, may wish fulfillment ka na nga dito, o, diba? So, stepping stone na yun. With the Ace of Wands, bagong simulain, passionate new beginning, and para sa iba, nangangamoy new love rin. Yan, no? Lalo na dun sa mga nag-aabang ng new love, no? Miss yan, total naman pa-successful na ako dyan. Wala bang new love na papasok? Eto na nga, babe. Kung sino to? Sorry, lumnok ng laway. Kung sino yan, no, maa-attract yan. Isa yan sa mga maa-attract sa energy mo, mga babe, no? Kung sino yan, no? Para dun sa mga naghahanap ng new love, ay, ng nakukuha ko rito. Okay? Isa yan sa mga magiging tagahanga mo, mga admirers mo, na maibiyan rin isa sa mga mabibigyan mo ng advice, mga motivating mo na mga advices or tips na i-share mo, no, isa-share ron. So, at the bottom of the deck, we have here the Lovers. See? Lovers right here for those who's waiting for this, but I can see that with the Lovers as well, this is you, more connected now into your higher self. Okay? It's more likely connecting here into your intuition. Okay? Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, mas gagamitin niyo yung intuition sa pagdedesisyon. If you feel positive about this, then go! YOLO! You only live once, diba? Kaya go ahead, diba? And Five of Cups energy, i-push mo lang na i-push para ayaw mo kasi ng pagsisihan mo to eh. Okay? In the past, na magkaroon ka ng regret dito pagka dumating na yung right time na ay, dapat pala trinay ko natanggapin yung trabaho na yun, ay, dapat pala pinatunayan ko sa kanila magaling ako yan. Kasi ayaw mo nun. Okay? Kaya this is you more tuning in into your higher self, more listening here into the intuition, and more connecting here with the Gaia or with the universe right here, or your angels and spirit guides. So thank you so much, Capricorn. This powerful message is for you. When you start seeing a chance, go ahead, grab it. Okay? YOLO. You only live once. So thank you so much, Capricorn. Love and light. Annyeong.